for a mad one today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for joining us. Consider subscribing and liking the channel if you're new. So today we're going to be doing a lot of work on the Audi A3 2-litre FSI. We're going to start off with the coolant system. We're having a lot of problems there, overheating, leakage. Then we're going to be getting onto the rear subframe, cleaning it up, getting all the rust off, everything like that, making it all fresh. We're going to be doing the anti-rollbar bushings, RPM sensor. That's where we start off because the car's not actually starting up. So hopefully you'll enjoy this session. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let's get into it.
Oh, look at that. What, are you wiping the windows? Oh, look at that. That's nice and shiny.
Well, it's a 78.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looks really good.
Yeah, it's got original paint.
Look at that. Oh, look at that.
For $700. It's real clean. You can work on it. It's whatever. The things are not packed real.
Right.
Start off with the oil filter, taking that off and cleaning it, just because when it wasn't starting and you was turning it over, the oil sign was coming up, and there's loads of oil in there, so it didn't make sense. So I thought we'll take that off and just clean it, see if it needs replacing or if it's something to do with that to start with. Give this a quick go. So basically after doing that it didn't start. By this point we realised it's not the oil filter, and we plugged in. My mate came down, I put his tag there as well, thanks for that. He brought the snap-on plug in and we realised it's the RPM sensor. So I ordered RPM sensor. New parts arrived, so we get that put on in a sec. Big up auto dock, well cheap on Euro parts. The RPM sensor or cranks, shut off sensor was like £60 plus, and it was like a 10 on auto dock. If you ain't tried these, it's the fucking one. I literally ordered like 3 bulbs and they put in like 7-8 bulbs in there for me. Auto dock are the ones. I should do. Oh, there it is. Fucking hell. Such a rough hole. I think that's actually it on the other side. So I might have to move it. Sure that's it. That definitely is not it. Look at it. See. Can't even see it. Is that teeth? Just for it. That's it there. Fucking thing. Did I that? Pretty sure that's it. I'm not certain. That's a bit there. I don't know where the end structure goes into that. That is one side of it. So what I've got to do is around it. It's that right side. So we have to take the air filter out, the oil filter, sorry, to get to the bolt. Try not to make a mess everywhere. Oh. Fuck. Should be. Oh, the fucking filter's still in it. There we go. Should be able to get to that bolt now.
Okay. So
Yes,
remember,
Dad.
you have to put it through that way.
Come on. After putting in the new RPM sensor, we actually realised that there was a coolant leak, and that once you put in the RPM sensor, it isn't just firing straight away. You have to reset it, so you have to do like a few small revs and stuff like that, and then it resets. So after we'd done that, it was alright, but it does show you the car idling a little bit rough, and then we fixed the coolant leak. On the side of the engine where all the coolant pipes are, there's actually a connector that goes into the side, and it basically has a seal which had been put on like sketchily. The seal had broken and they tried to like just glue it on basically. I mean, it was been working fine all this time, but yeah, it started to leak, so we got rid of that section and put in a new connector there. Sorting all of that out, we start up with the rear subframe, getting it unrusted, getting all the rust off, and putting on some new protective coating. So rusty. side of this one. Should be alright. I think that's it. Clean. Clean, mate. Nearly done. It's much better. Do that bit and that bit. I'll figure it out. Literally by this point, I'd been underneath there, seen the rear bushing, and I know that it had to be replaced, so I started undoing it. It's got a stupid hex bolt on, it was actually undoing, and then it just literally came off once, rounded, same with the other bolt, so we had to start drilling it out, cutting through the bolt, easy out to get it out, so that's the next section that we actually got through. Drilling this out. Easy out. That's the old one. Doesn't even look too bad, but something must be wrong with the rubber. That's what me and Dad think. Some of the threads will cut out to easy out. After doing all of that, we've got the new anti-rollbar bushing in there, and then basically the car was still having overheating issues after doing everything with the coolant system, flush, changing all those parts, so we got no leaks. So we basically taken out the thermostat and replaced that. It's still having overheating issues, so we think it might be the water pump, even though we've changed it about a year ago. But that'll be something in the next episode, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Got loads of stuff coming up. The last 2 or 3 videos I've done have been from last year that I edited ages ago, but we're back on it now, so we're going to have loads of stuff coming out. Thanks for watching.